tall and 25 pounds, with brown shoulder Ansley River Redmond, white female. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. 5 feet 5 inches tall, with brown shoulder length, red, white female, 25, 5 feet, and gray, brown hair, and brown eyes. She has several.
We'll deliver your.
She is operating a grade 4. 2 years old. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Iredell County Sheriff's Office is looking.
And outdoors, we.
Nope, they mocked it. They mocked Tennessee. Damn it, Sonny.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction.
Today's
White male, 4 years, better at work, 6 inches tall, and 50 pounds.
Still doing that.
Short brown hair.
that I'm bringing.
Still love them.
Remake.